I'm Max Dalton, and in this video, I'll show you how to slow down a video in Clipchamp. Step 1. Open the video project you want to slow down part of in Clipchamp, and then click to select the video you want to slow down. Step 2. Click Speed in the menu on the right side of the screen. Speed options will be displayed. Step 3. Find the speed slider, which will be set to a value of 1 by default. Grab the slider and move it to the left below 1 to slow your video down. Alternatively, you can use the field to enter a value. Again, to slow your video section down, it will need to be below 1. You can preview the impact on your video by clicking the play button to preview it, and you can adjust the speed accordingly. Let me know if this video helped you out in the comments below. If you liked what you saw here, click the video links on the right side of the screen to check out another video. Or click the logo on the left side of the screen to check out my tutorial website at www.maxdalton.how.